This is Warlock VR. Warlock VR is all about using your controller to draw spells. So we are going to use our right controller, we're going to hold down the trigger button, and then we're going to draw an R symbol. And that's going to cast our firebolt. We're going to shoot it at this target that can only be destroyed by shooting firebolts at it. Once it's destroyed, another target will be created. This time, we're going to be casting Fireball. So we have to draw a C. So we draw our C, and the Fireball is cast into our hand. In order to throw Fireball, we have to hold down the trigger button, and then release the trigger button at the end of our throw. Throw it at our target.